What's going on YouTube? I'm going to be showing you how to install this passport radar detector. This one's a S75G into your car hardwired. If you're like me, you like everything to look clean. I also have a mirror bracket for this, so you don't have to stick it on the window at all. So let's get to it. Alright, so to hardwire a radar detector into your car, so you don't have the cord going all the way down to the outlet and it's looking kind of tacky, is you'll get a cord like this. It has a phone jack on the end and a power wire on the other end. So you'll plug this end into the radar detector, and this one you'll go to your fuse box. I'll show you how to do that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to route it through here and down through here and into my fuse box under here. So luckily for me, my car came with this little passageway for wires, so I just unclipped this and ran it under there. For those of you who don't have that, you could just zip tie it to your mirror and run it along this little area. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stuff the wire up into the headliner all the way around to this pillar. You could pop this pillar off, and then I'm going to run it down here to my fuse box down here. Some of you might have a fuse box on the other side, so whatever side yours is on, just run it either way. But I'll show you what to do after we get down to this fuse box here. Alright, so now that I'm at my fuse box, I got one of these. It's a circuit maker basically. What you do is you stick two fuses in this hole. One, the original fuse that you're pulling out, and a secondary fuse. In this case, it's a number 5 fuse, and the area I'm sticking it in is for the radio fuse. So as you can see, there's one fuse here and the other one's in the back, and then it's attached to this wire. This thing came with a connector on the end, but what you're going to do is you're going to cut this and strip it and connect it to this wire right here. Alright, once you got it wired in, it's going to look like that. Then you're going to need to find somewhere for this ground. Basically you just attach it to something metal. I have a little metal bracket up here right behind the hood latch, so I'm going to try that and see if it works. If not, then basically just have to find somewhere on the body panel or something, at least direct contact with metal. It can't have paint on it. Then you just attach that and it should work. Now that you got this power wire all wired up right here, and then you got the ground connected to a bolt, you're just going to go ahead and hide the rest of this wire. I'm going to stick mine right behind this panel right here. It has a lot of other wires in it. And then you should be good to go. So I got the wiring set up, so when I turn the key and the radio turns on, there we go. See? Radio, radar detector. There we go, that's all you gotta do.